Okay.
Alright, this is a 1990 Vmax I just bought. The seat latches down and then you can't get it unlatched. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart. First thing, the seat has these two bolts right here. I took them out, put them back in there so I don't lose them. The next step is I've already loosened these bolts up. And this piece comes out. And I kind of think I see the problem. This is bent. So we're going to take my screwdriver get all the grass out of it. Alright, this piece should go in here, and if this was flat it would hold it in place, but it got bent probably when we were trying to get the bike started when I bought it. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Put it back together the same way. I'm going to take my pliers and flatten that out and I should be done.